Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this video. Today I am going to show you how to use the Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM, is a command line tool in Windows. DISM is used to repair your Windows install by downloading and reinstalling any components of the operating system that are damaged. DISM command with CheckHealth option. The CheckHealth option with the DISM determines any corruptions inside the local Windows image. However, this option does not perform any sort of repair. To check the image of Windows 10 for issues with DISM, use these steps. Open Start. Search for command prompt, right-click the top result, and select the Run as Administrator option. Type the following command to perform a quick check and press Enter. DISM Online Cleanup Image CheckHealth. Once you complete the steps, the DISM tool will run and verify any data corruption that may require fixing inside the local image. DISM command with CheckHealth option. The CheckHealth option performs a more advanced scan to find out whether the image has any issues. To check image problems with the CheckHealth option, use these steps. Type the following command to perform an advanced DISM scan and press Enter. DISM Online Cleanup Image CheckHealth. After completing the steps, the scan may take some time to check whether the image needs fixing. DISM command with Restore Health option. If the system image has problems, the Restore Health option scans and repairs common issues automatically. To repair Windows local image problems with DISM, use these steps. Type the following command to repair the image and press Enter. DISM Online Cleanup Image Restore Health. Quick note: it's normal if the command appears stuck. After a few moments, the process will be completed successfully. Once you complete the steps, the Deployment Image Servicing and Management tool will connect to the Windows Update servers to download and replace damaged files, if applicable. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.